In this video we have to make y the subject of the formula, and the given formula is square root of 5x minus 7y is equal to square root of c. So we will do squaring of both sides. So we have square root of 5x minus 7y whole square is equal to square root of c whole square. Now we can cancel square and square root. So we have 5x minus 7y is equal to c. Now we can take this minus 7y on this side of equation. So this minus 7y will become 7y, and we can take this c on this side. So we have minus c because c is positive over here. Or we can write 7y is equal to 5x minus c. Now since 7 is multiplying on this side, so when we take 7 on the other side, this will divide 5x minus c. So we have 5x minus c upon 7. So now we have y is equal to 5x minus c upon 7, and y is the subject of equation because y is on the one side of equation and all the other things on the other side of equation. So this is the required formula.